Imagine that a small jar costing less than $1 could be the solution to most skin, hair, and even perfume problems. I'm talking about Vaseline, a product most people buy and leave in a corner of the bathroom without realizing it holds incredible secrets for completely transforming their appearance. First, what is Vaseline? In short, Vaseline prevents water evaporation and retains moisture within the skin. It's not a moisturizer itself, but it locks in the moisture you already have and prevents it from escaping. This is what makes Vaseline a powerful weapon against cracks and dryness. However, many people misuse it by applying it to dry skin without moisturizing it beforehand, and it won't give you any results. So the first rule is to wet your skin first, then use Vaseline. This way, Vaseline maintains natural moisture and keeps it inside the skin for a longer period. Second, chapped lips or a cracked nose are caused by the cold, especially with winter approaching. If your lips are always chapped or peeling, try the following steps. First, before bed, moisten your lips with warm water or apply a thin layer of honey. After 2 minutes, gently wipe it off. Immediately afterward, apply a small amount of Vaseline and smooth it all over your lips. You'll notice the difference in the morning. If your nose has the same problem, use Vaseline in the same way. Third, eyelashes and eyebrows. Many people spend hundreds of dollars on serums to lengthen their eyelashes when the solution is right there at home. Vaseline is excellent for nourishing the tiny hair follicles around the eyes because it prevents dryness and reduces frizz. It also treats dark circles under the eyes. The method of use is as follows. Before bed, take a very small amount on your fingertip and gently apply it to your eyelashes, eyebrows, and under your eyes. Within 2 to 3 weeks, you'll notice that your eyelashes are stronger and shinier, and your eyebrows look fuller. Fourth, for a fragrance that lasts all day. Have you ever sprayed an expensive perfume and it disappeared after half an hour? The reason is simple. Dry skin doesn't retain fragrance. But here, Vaseline plays a hero role. Before spraying your perfume, apply a very small amount of Vaseline to your pulse points, behind your ears, on your wrists, and on your neck. Then spray the perfume directly over them. The fragrance will last 3 or 4 times longer than usual because the Vaseline traps the fragrance molecules and prevents them from evaporating quickly. Fifth, to avoid irritation and redness. If you have skin that reacts easily to shaving, Vaseline will solve this problem. As usual, wash your face with water, then apply a little Vaseline. These are the most important benefits of Vaseline. Use them correctly, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive all the latest updates.